Welcome to TechStarsTamil.
For taking a virtual server backup from HyperV virtualization, first open the HyperV manager. We have one virtual server in this HyperV manager, it named as Windows 2016. And the server status is turned on. Also we can see here the CPU and memory usage of this virtual server. Currently, this server uses 1.2 GB of RAM memory. Checkpoint is an inbuilt backup feature in HyperV. Checkpoints are used to create backups of virtual machines, capturing a complete snapshot of the virtual machine including all data, such as software, operating system, and hardware specifications. Let's see how to take backup of Windows 2016 virtual server in HyperV using Checkpoint's backup feature. Right-click on Windows 2016. Choose Checkpoint for take backup of this virtual server. Checkpoint backup process has initiated, and we can see the backup process status here with the percentage. After the backup process is completed, the server backup copy is added under the checkpoints list. We have successfully created a checkpoint backup of virtual server in HyperV. For restore this virtual server, select the checkpoint backup. Right-click on it and choose Apply. Let's create another checkpoint backup for the virtual server. And check the list of backups under the checkpoints. Second backup is created, and additional backup copy of this virtual server has been added under the checkpoints list. We can create and maintain up to 50 checkpoint backups for each virtual machine. Key benefits of using checkpoint backups. It allows us to quick restore a virtual machine to a previous state. Creating checkpoints is faster than traditional backups, and the backup copy consumes less storage space.